Hey, yesterday I came across this website on awards. I love the website because it is using the trending animations, right? So whether it's like hover on the links, the text shows up, text revealing, even if it's a button, or as soon as I'm scrolling, the parallax animation for the image and how it is working. See the look at the animation, right? It's very smooth. They're probably using some amazing libraries here, but I'm going to build the same animation in Framer, and that you can see here that I tried in. It took me just few minutes to build the similar kind of animation in Framer, because I love creating animations in Framer. There might be, let's say, here and there some parts, but as you can see, I'm using these animations here, just like their website, right? They also have these animation of on hover. You can see the button, right? So I'm using components here for the button, so it's very easy for the clients or for the users of the website owners to edit the particular part, this button, as you can see. So as you can see here, as I'm scrolling, there is a parallax animation on the image and it is tick, right? So the bottom part shows up first, right? So the same thing I did here. As soon as I'm scrolling, as you can see, that the parallax animation is there, and the text, the content shows up from the bottom side. So how I did it? Very easy in Framer. So I have the overlay, which is I'm adding that overlay for, let's say, some opacity of the black color opacity, so that content shows properly. And the image, I'm using this image, and I'm using the scroll transform on scroll from, let's say, from 1.2 upscale of the image to 1.2 upscale image, but I'm using the offset -100, right? So as soon as I'm scrolling, my image is also going up, right? Going upwards. So that's what I did here for the image, so that as you can see here, as I'm scrolling down, my image is going upwards with particular sections, right? And then what else? Let's say this one. So to create this kind of buttons, right, what I'm using here is I'm using a container, or the, let's say, the stack or the frame, and then inside that I have two text here, and both are absolute position, and one is initially the below, given outside of the particular frame, and the frame is hidden, the overflow is hidden. And when someone hovers on that particular text, I'm getting that back, right? Getting that bottom text to the zero, and I'm sending or the moving the initial text to the upwards, right? So that it creates that particular animations. And the same thing I used for these button like animation, right? Here I have the dot on when someone hovers on my button, the dot squeeze a little bit, right? Scales down a little bit, and then I'm adding that white color. I'm making it, I'm filling it, the button, as you can see here. As you can see, the animation is smooth and nice and easy animation, and you can create this kind of animations to your Framer website for your clients.